Oh, alright.
Oh, second.
Yeah. Yeah, Jim.
You guys ready? Go.
Jim cheated.
Yeah, Jim's got him.
Jim cheated.
Did he?
Yeah, a little bit. What do you thought?
Yeah, point somebody out, man. That's fine. But we got traffic now.
I'll get over.
Who you lined up with? There we go. You guys ready?
I'm still up here.
Go.
Hey, I'm ready.
Okay. Go. Donnie, you smoking that ass. Somebody flag us.
Hey, who's up?
Bren Tune right there, buddy. Donnie. I always get a good giggle out of Donnie. This guy's pretty fast. Somebody flag us. Somebody flag us.
Like an unsung melody, the truth is waiting never.
On the way out, he killed me, obviously. On the way back, it was close, but I think top of like third, fourth gear, he started pulling past me. He's too little. Who has the blue one? You want to go with the blue one? You want to do like a first gear roll? Oh, no, 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 no. First gear roll.
You gotta go back. You're back down in the losers bracket. That DUCATI is hard as fuck to launch.
Dude, this thing's impossible to launch. You want to go off at three honks, first gear roll?
Let's go 5 miles. He's never ran a first gear roll in his life. Any second gear roll or dig, right? You never raced the first ever. First gear? Like a first gear roll? Shits and giggles, do both. Just wheelie. So do first on the way out there?
This thing launches impossible.
Yeah, get on the S1000. S1000 versus S1000.
Ah, Jesus. Donnie, can I ride that bike? Am I okay to ride this?
You ride your own bike?
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, I bet you can launch this motherfucker. Shit. You shouldn't have a problem launching your own bike.
Hey, Steve, if you don't win this one, you're out of the Fast Boys.
Dude, I'm gonna lose. I don't like racing.
Shut your mask.
Jesus.
I don't know. I want to try that launch control, though. What does that do? Oh, it's slow? Oh. Oh.
First gear roll.
First gear?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do 3 honks, okay? Killed him. Killed him. Okay, I'm scared.
Probably watching. Yeah, I know, me too. Be careful. Don't be scared.
Dude, I'm not gonna beat you. This,
All right,
this is
ready?
a pointless race. Hold
I
on.
think we should go from a dig.
No.
All right, let's go. You gonna beep?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. You got me.
Seems like Jim should get Power Commander.
What?
Seems like Jim should get Brentoon. We can do it again. I beat you by a lot, too.
Yeah, I fucked up though. I fucked up. I missed my shift,
Oh, no. Okay.
but it's a win.
We'll give it to you again. Now.
All right.
Let's do it again. Those
All right,
guys out of the way?
Yeah, ready?
Hold on. Yep.
Go ahead.
Hold on. I got fucking bug inside my eyeball. Okay.
All right.
Get up. Get up.
Yep. I'm ready. Fuck.
Brentoon, baby! Brentoon!
I need.
Everywhere, dude, when you guys took off. They're every gear.
Brentoon!
Johnny was like this.
I was, yeah. Oh, I want a rematch. Bring him back out here.
Okay, alright.
I want a rematch. This thing fucking wheelies like crazy. Second gear, it's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, dude, it lifts up in second gear like fucking ridiculous.
Get going to about 70 in second. Start in second. Just eliminate all we do. He's burning the tire all the way down the road, man. Ask these guys.
Hey!
He's like this.
Not my fucking problem.
Same race.
First gear or second gear?
Same race. Let's
Same
do it.
race? Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. gear.
Okay.
Fuck, I can't even do nothing in that gear.
Catch up to me.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Let's go faster,
All right,
right?
go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah. Man, yeah, I couldn't control it.
All right, here we go.
Just don't launch it.
Okay.
Like, just rip it. Like, just don't launch it.
Got Adam Burrows, record setting, H2. Extended swing arm feels extremely long, but this is where my bike is going to be here pretty quick, so let's see how this goes. Very seamless. I rolled it on really easy. And yeah, it didn't even, ooh, rear brake is, he doesn't have a rear brake. Wow. Let's get her turned around. What a ripper. Fucking easy to ride.
Yeah, easier, right?
Jesus.
I'm up in the air. I'll wait.
I love that. Anybody want a piece of the $12.99 from a roll? I can tame the spaghetti. Spaghetti and meat sauce. I was reeling you in.
And I was looking for you. I'm like,
I was reeling you in. Dude, it went straight into traction control when I very first smacked it.
what the fuck?
You seriously can't hear the horn?
No, I cannot. I told Slavis before too, man.
Because I can't see, I couldn't even see where that sign was at.
Did you see me almost eat it?
Yeah.
Dude, it went up, came down, and just went all crazy. Dude, my foot almost went under the wheel.
All right,
Well, that's the name of the game, huh?
let's try another first gear roll. Can you hear this? Can you hear that?
That's 70. Can you do 70?
60.
65?
Ah, God damn it.